With spring on its way, it's time to get your walk-behind mower ready for the season. Here are a few tips to make sure your mower is prepared. Before performing any maintenance on your equipment, disconnect the spark plug. Since fuel can become stale in as little as 30 days, use a siphon pump to remove last season's gasoline from your mower. This will help prevent starting issues. Next, you should change the engine oil to remove any damaging debris. Make sure to tip the mower air filter side up when you drain the oil from the fill tube. Otherwise, fuel and oil might leak into the mower. Or you can use an oil siphon to make it easier and less messy. Check the mower blades and tires and replace them if they're worn or damaged. If your mower is self-propelled, be sure to check the belt for wear and replace as needed. Check the air filter for any built-up dirt or oil. Clean it off or replace it if necessary. You might also want to check the spark plug. If the top is stained or damaged, you will need to replace it. For best performance, be sure to always choose MTD genuine parts. MTD genuine parts are specifically designed and manufactured to fit your MTD-made equipment. Next, clean out any grass buildup or debris under the mower housing. Then spray the underside with a silicone spray to help prevent buildup this coming season. You just need to reapply about every 2 cuttings to maintain the silicone coating. Add new oil and fuel to your mower. If you're using gasoline with ethanol, make sure to use a fuel stabilizer to help keep it fresh for more than 30 days. Or you can use synthetic fuels without ethanol to avoid engine damage. Finally, reconnect the spark plug and you're good to go. Follow these tips and you'll be ready for that first cut.